I created those thumbnails using AI. In fact, my thumbnails are created using AI. I've got a particular font I make use of. I've got a particular color I work with. And then I've got ideas on how I want the thumbnail to look like. So there's this similarity between all my thumbnails. You can check it out. So I'm going to teach you how you can create thumbnails for different niches because of course thumbnails are gold right now and every creator needs click-worthy thumbnails. So let's go straight into this. Use ChatGPT and then let's try different niches. We're going to try true crime, storytelling, health. We're going to try food. We're going to try religion, relationship, education, and the rest of that. So let us do this. I need you to act as an expert thumbnail designer that has created thumbnails for big YouTubers like Mr. Beast, Iman Gatti, Alex Homozi, and the rest of them, like the biggest YouTubers, Ali Abdal, Vanessa Lau, and many big YouTubers out there. You are going to give me the prompts to create about 10 different thumbnails. All of these are going to be in JSON style. First one I want you to create for me is the finance. That is make money online. You know, this particular niche requires a thumbnail style. Some come with a shocked face, you know, big red arrows, even cash symbol, coins, and the rest of that, depending on what is going to be said, and then bold text. So I need you to give me something that fits that. You can give me a character. Note all of this should be Africans, please, but it has to be really catchy. The font, the everything that you would add, the design, it should be top notch. It should be something that stops the scroll. And then you're also going to give me for a tech brand that's okay. Pick a topic too. Pick a topic and just give for all the thumbnails. The next one is going to be for a tech review channel, tech review and gadget review channel. And you know, their thumbnail styles tend to be probably a creator holding phones. Maybe let's say they could be comparing an iPhone and a Samsung. Uh, they tend to use this side by side thumbnail ideas. So you can create something for that for me. Additionally, I want you to create a true crime or storytelling thumbnail thumbnail prompt. You know, most of these prompts work with curiosity, and the thumbnail is what causes 99% of the clicks. So sometimes they're actually dark, they are moody, they are blurred. You know, there's a crime scene, there's a victim photo, and then there are texts that are probably dripping in red font and the rest of that. So I need you to give me for that particular niche, and it has to be really catchy. You also need to give me for a horror story channel, a horror YouTube channel, something that is striking. The font has to be horror inclined. We could have a very strange looking face, something that causes fear and curiosity. Okay, let's work with these five. Give me everything in JSON prompt style. Note it has to be perfect. Emphasize on the 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So this is how I tend to give my ideas. So in my case, I already have a font style and a font style. So in my case, I already have a font style and I have a color I stick with. That's why you tend to see how my thumbnails are. In your case, you might want to pick a particular color, a particular font, and the rest of that, depending on whatsoever catches your fancy. But the truth is, this is how you can create thumbnails. This is how I do mine. Additionally, you can go for those of you that might be working with storytelling channels. You can tell ChatGPT that you've got what your story is about. Let's say the story of how someone was ambushed and then the person lost her leg in the process. You can tell ChatGPT your entire story and say, based on this story I've told you, I need you to give me a high converting thumbnail idea. You can also add that you have your character images, because of course your thumbnail would contain your character images, right? So you have your character images and you're going to use that as a reference prompt for what you are creating. You can emphasize that, and then ChatGPT is going to work with that. So these are the prompts. Oh my god, this is a lot. This is a lot. So let's come over here, and I'm going to change this to 16 by 9, because thumbnails are in 16 by 9, right? Let's select times 2. Let's see the options would get. So I'm also going to do the same thing for all of them. It's captivating. And if you have ideas, I actually gave my own ideas. If you have ideas you want to work with, you can also explain your ideas to AI so that AI can work with that. By the way, if you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? You can't tell me you're just consuming all of this value and you've not clicked on the like button. You've not subscribed to the channel. So tell me in the comment section, would this make you click? Would this particular thumbnail or would these thumbnails make you click? Because I actually like what I'm seeing here. So if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can still go over to Claude AI to get ideas. But even with this is amazing, right? And this is Jason prompting style. You see the fonts, right? I cannot be teaching on probably a children channel and then I'm using these fonts. So there are fonts that work with what you are creating. So ensure you are sticking with that font idea. All right, I really like what you are doing, but do you know you can be better? You can be outstanding, you can be intriguing, and you can be the thumbnail expert designer that stops to scroll. Those thumbnails or those prompts you gave me were amazing, but I would like you to put in more effort. So you're also going to give me for a vlog, that's a daily vlog, like a day in my life or something, come with me to the market, something like that. Those vlogs, they tend to have, I've seen some that have this pastel color, and then we see different boxes of different clips. Probably the creator is in the market. We see the creator. Okay, let's just say a day in my life. We see the creator waking up. We see her in the markets. We see her shopping. Different things. And then the fonts are kind of playful. Would I say playful? Yeah, they are. The fonts are exciting. So create something like that for me. And then for health or fitness channel, I would also like it to create a thumbnail prompt. These health or fitness channels, they tend to have surprise expression too, and some of them tend to have arrows with punchy lines. Then you need to know that should these videos are meant to talk about our health, right, and then fitness. So you can include emotional faces. Maybe you can say like, this is how I lost 20 kg. Then we are seeing the doctor reacting, or a before and after, before and after cells, or these supplements changed my life forever, something like that. Then we also have real estate channels. I would also like a real estate thumbnail. I would also like a real estate thumbnail. Something that could attract realtors, property YouTubers, Airbnb hosts. Okay, so you know that these videos need to look like luxury. They should scream luxury. They should scream perfection and extreme luxury. They should scream high end luxury. That's what they should scream. So it has to be really amazing. And the text has to be catchy too. And then I would also like a thumbnail for a food and a cooking channel. Food is visual. We tend to see first before we decide if we want to eat. So this thumbnail is going to decide if people would eat with their eyes. You get right? Aha. So I need this to be outstanding. So you could use, I don't know, you could use something like a burger, and then we say, okay, the best burger in Lagos or something. Then we have someone with a drooling face holding the burger, something like that. So it has to be outstanding. So can we work on this? Like I said, perfect colors, perfect fonts. It has to be nothing but perfection. Okay, I don't really like this one. Let me see. What is this supposed to be for? Yeah, this is nice, but I don't really like it. That's one where I was saying you can describe what you want to achieve with your content, and then AI will do it for you. You could also have some where you have multiple characters. Let me try that out after this. So let me just create it. Another reminder for you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you can check out my seller store too. I don't even want to spill the secret of what's in that store, but just check it out yourself. Then when you get the books, come to my DM and then testify. So where were we? You can also use ChatGPT for this. You can also use ChatGPT whatsoever image generator. Wow, guys. This is the exact one that I was talking about. This is amazing. It really is. Wow, these thumbnails are beautiful. Oh my god, this is amazing. So many of you African folktale story creators. So let's do one for you. So these thumbnails are perfect. But now I've got a channel that's on storytelling, and I need you to give me a thumbnail for that. So now I want one where I'll call it iPhone 17 Babes. That's the title of the that's the title of the story that should be on the thumbnail. So I want about 6 chicks, 20 Nigerian ladies in different short chic outfits. And then they have sleek hair. Some are on boho braids, some are on fringe, some are on red colored, coily designer wigs, all of those expensive Brazilian wigs. And then we see them with shopping bags, and all of them are holding iPhone 17 iPhone 17 with the orange pack, and everything just looks sleek. I want something that is screaming luxury, chic, babes, and stuff like that. So the fonts should also be outstanding. You grab right. So this is for the health. It works. This is my best. And you see the thing I like about this, the entire fonts are things that fit what we are creating. When we emphasize on the fonts, this is amazing. So just like I said, just have it in your head. So for this, let me just do something. Let me say best burger in Abuja. So this is how you should do it. Just explain what you want, and AI is going to do it for you. So once AI does it for you, you implement. So you should implement this, create something, tag me. I want to see your work. At least this is a lot. I'm doing so much for you. I know many of you are having issues with thumbnail creations. This one is not as nice as the other one. Nah, it's not as nice as the other one. This is beautiful. That's why you can create two. Okay, unusual activity. What is the issue now? Is it because I'm mentioning a prominent brand? Because AI could be like that. So the thing is, I'd always tell you, content or AI content creation is based on your creativity. Once you are a badass creative, AI is going to amplify your creative ideas. You grab right. So learn how to explain what you want to achieve. Damn. Okay, so this is nice. This is sleek. Okay. So this is amazing. So based on what you want to create, just tell AI, oh, this is what it's about to. This just tell it to AI. You understand? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, your family, share it on social media, subscribe, join my community on Telegram and on WhatsApp. and check out the other videos we've created. I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye bye.